Officially live. I'm so excited that we are here today. My name is Joe Apfelbaum, and I have the wonderful, incredible Chase Aldridge. Chase, thank you so much for being with me on LinkedIn Live.
Yeah, thank you, Joe. Pleasure to be here, brother.
So Chase is a client of evyAI, and he's going to be upgrading to Pro, and he wants to know some of the things that he gets with their Black Friday special. So Chase, first of all, check out this auto scroll thing. I'm gonna click on medium and start scrolling. Look at the way it's automatically scrolling the feed. How
Mhm.
cool is that? That extension is currently available. I made it with Claude, and it just goes and just scrolls the feed for you. And if you want to stop scrolling, you just click and you can comment. So I just click. I can hit stop auto scroll if I want, or I could just leave a comment with evyAI just like that, and then I can have it just keep scrolling the feed if I want. Check this out. I'm gonna hit auto scroll, and it's gonna keep scrolling the feed. How convenient is that? To keep scrolling the feed. Now I also have an auto liker that will like every single comment on. That's it's just epic. But nobody ever thought of doing an auto scroll on a feed, and this works also on Facebook. It works everywhere. This auto scroll. So I'm so happy that I was able to build this auto scroll in about 10 minutes using artificial intelligence. But let me quickly show you the CRM because that's really what you wanted to see as part of our Black Friday special. If you go to evyai.com/Black Friday, you'll notice that we have a bunch of things that we're offering. We're offering 6 major specials, which includes a year's worth of training and a bunch of courses valued at $17,000. So imagine learning the step-by-step process to be able to generate $100,000 in new profit in your business, together with me and just a couple of other pro users. You're going to get advanced LinkedIn strategy. We're going to meet for 2 hours a month. You're going to get our 52 LinkedIn hacks. You're going to get our Evergreen Networking course, our Sales Navigator Bootcamp, 6 hours of advanced Sales Navigator training, our Goal Setting Masterclass. I'm going to build 1,000 leads for you. So I'm going to take 1,000 of your connections or 1,000 people on LinkedIn and get their email addresses and build it for you and put it into your CRM. I'm going to make you a CRM, which includes landing pages, access to landing page software, social media automation where you can have reoccurring social posts, pipeline management so you can manage your leads when people call you or speak to you with notes, and on integration with make.com and everything all integrated. That's a $3,000 value. We sell that for $249 a month right now. So we get a year trial of that. And then you get the Inc. 5000 list. You get your connections dashboard where we export all of your connections and put it into the dashboard and then integrate it into the CRM so you can enrich everything. You get phone support if you need phone support on how to use evyAI or how to use LinkedIn or anything. You get a monthly strategy session with our AI agent, Ava, who will brainstorm ideas with you. And you get access to a special evyAI forum. We're going to be putting together groups of 20 pro members at a time to support each other. So you get training, data support, automation, strategy, and community, and you get all that for one low price of just $984. But that's going away soon. So if you guys want to grab this, now's the time. And if you paid for evyAI, we actually prorate it for you. So it's actually less than this if you bought evyAI. So that's that. In terms of the CRM, one of the most magical things about the CRM is that you get unlimited contacts. So for example, I'm going to go on LinkedIn right now. I'm going to find a random person. This guy, Brandon. You see? Brandon Konarmi, whatever. I'm going to copy his name. I'm going to put him into the CRM just to kind of see what comes up. I do a search. I see he's right here. You see? With his microphone and everything because it was imported right from LinkedIn. So when I click on this, I can easily give him a call right from the CRM. So I can grab his phone number from right over here. Often people will have their phone number. He doesn't in this case. I happen to have his phone number in my contacts. I could just add him. But if he had a phone number right here, I could just add it to the CRM, and boom, I just give him a call right from the CRM. In this case, he doesn't. What's your area code, Chase?
541.
541. So I'm just going to search 541 right now. I'm going to click on people just to kind of show you how many people have the 541 number on their profile.
I think we're missing our one there.
Oh, there you go. That's why.
Yeah.
541. Let me see if it'll find 541. So often what I'll find is that people put their 541 numbers on. It's not a popular phone. Are you in Dallas, Texas? Like, where are you?
No, that's from Bend, Oregon, but I live in Denver, so.
Oregon. So you click on Oregon. Let's see who has a 541 number. Okay, so we have people with their 541 numbers here. So let's say, for example, this person here, director of KY Commercial. So if I wanted to call Melissa Hayes, I would just copy her phone number, go to the CRM, click on the contacts, add a new contact with the plus sign, Melissa Hayes. Put her phone number here, hit save. Now what I can do is I could just call her. Now it's just dialing, just like that. And so, yes, eventually we're going to have a button that just basically allows you to just add her right from here to your CRM. You see I'm building that right now. So it'll automatically find all her contact information. Like if I hit save profile, it'll go here, put all her information in here, and then when I hit send to CRM, it'll send it straight to my CRM, just like that. You see? Because all her
Sweet.
contact information is right in here.
Now, this may be a silly question, but does the formatting of the number that you put in there, the phone number, need to be the same every time?
You have reached Melissa Hayes with Verizon Commercial.
No, it doesn't need to be formatted. You can just paste it in, and it automatically formats it. So I just put it in,
Sweet.
and it just automatically formatted it. And I already saved her to the CRM. So I just pressed send to CRM, and it already saved her and all her contact information, including who her ideal clients are and all that other information, all the jazz, introduction, everything is all saved. So if you guys want to get access to this, this is the current price for the year. The price is definitely going to go up. So if you guys are interested, and you're not going to get the $20,000 worth of bonuses, today's the day that you guys need to sign up to this. Really, really, really powerful. The CRM also has the ability to do marketing automation. So I have reoccurring posts that go out all the time, and these posts get automatically scheduled and reoccur. So if you want, you can put up 100 posts, and then they will automatically be posted on whatever platform you want: TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. You get unlimited amount of posts that you can schedule. We also have an opportunities tab that shows you all the different opportunities. You can move people from stage to stage, like Pipedrive. You have a calendar, you have contacts, you have text, SMS notifications back and forth. So someone wrote the word demo yesterday, and they got back a response like this. You see, and it will automatically keep following up with them based on the workflows that we set up. We have landing page software. You can add unlimited domains to this. I have all these websites and landing pages and funnels that are set up on here. Memberships, reporting, a mobile app. We have so much going on over here. You can accept payments and invoice people from this. You can have webinars. You could have, there's like an unlimited amount of things that you can do on this. It's really incredible. And so this is one benefit of evyAI Pro, that you get access to the system for a year as kind of like a trial. And then we'll support you and train you on how to use it as well. So do you have any specific questions about the CRM, or did I just explain it all pretty quickly?
Explained it all pretty quickly. So one question is with regards to setting up our social media posts. I have some automations that go through Airtable that I then send directly to Buffer to queue up. Would I be able to replace Buffer with this basically and send
Yes.
those same automations into
Yeah, the way that you would do it here would be a little bit different. You would export a CSV from Airtable with the exact format that you need, and you would just upload the CSV right here, and then you would be able to just bulk upload all of them. You can't do that with Buffer now. With Buffer, you're going to have to send them one at a time. To save operations, you just export, you create as many posts as you want, and then you do upload to CSV, and then you could just upload all of them at one time into here, into this tool. So it goes pretty quickly. It doesn't have, right now, it doesn't have make.com integration for this like Buffer does. But this is actually a much more robust way. And once you set up your posts here and you have them just reoccur, then Buffer doesn't have reoccurring posts. So once you set up all your posts as reoccurring posts, you never have to worry about social media ever again. You don't need to keep creating new posts over and over and over. You just take your top 100 posts, you add them here for every platform, and then you're done. You can walk away from it. You don't need you just have it automatically updating all your social media platforms forever. And it'll keep being super diverse because 100 posts is very diverse. So every 90 days you post the same 100 posts. No one's going to know that you posted it 100 days ago. No one's keeping track of like, oh my God, he already posted this 100 days ago. No one like knows that.
Yeah, the one thing is I have a bunch of data that is being imported weekly from different news outlets. Being in commercial real estate, I want to keep all my clients up to date with the most recent legislative changes, development changes. I really do like the reoccurring, definitely. I would also want to have, new information coming in too.
Yeah, 100%, 100%. So you could definitely keep it in the mix by adding the CSV file in there and so on. But that's
Cool.
a really powerful way to be able to mass upload, and we do this for all of our clients, like done for you as well. But that's a really powerful way to do
Oh,
things.
cool.
100%. Yeah. You also get, of course, access to unlimited ideas, unlimited post writer, unlimited profile optimizer, personas, save profiles, the learning hub. And we're going to be adding many, many more features to evyAI Pro that most people don't have access to. Like, for example, a prompt library, an influencer library, access to templates, access to post monitoring. We're in the middle of building that out. And a dashboard, and tons of other stuff. So really, really powerful.
Sweet.
Yeah. This guy over here said, "Good morning, Joe. I see that we're connected in first degree to 290 CEOs and founders of companies that may benefit from services I offer to clients. Would you be open to a referral to any of these?" So I'm going to have evyAI write me a reply. And I'm going to say, I'm going to tell it to use my Joe Apfelbaum 20-word persona. I appreciate your proactive approach. Ellie, referrals can be powerful. I'll review the connections, see my benefit at EOS. Let's keep the conversation going. Boom. And then I'm going to say, did you see our Black Friday deal? Please let me know. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a persona. So I'm going to go into evyAI, go to evyai.com. I'm going to hit Control-0. I'm going to press Login. And over here, I'm going to do personas. Then I'm going to do add a persona. And then over here, I'm going to say evyAI Black Friday deal. I'm going to go to person, and I'm going to write industry, LinkedIn. I'm going to go ahead and do friendly, keywords, Black Friday deal. And over here, I'm just going to talk to it. I'm going to say, act as Joe, CEO of evyAI, and introduce the concept of our Black Friday deal, where we throw in $20,000 worth of value, including training, data, access, support, lists, and so much more with our new upgraded version of evyAI Pro. Oh, messed up evyAI, so I'm going to fix it. Then I'm going to say, make sure to include the link to evyAI Pro as http://www.evyai.com/Black Friday. Make sure to include the details for the link to evyAI Pro Black Friday deal as Black Friday. Do not include words like "you nailed it" or sound robotic, and do not sound robotic. Make it conversational. Okay, now I'm just gonna press save. Save thing. I'm gonna go in here and grab some more. I'm gonna hit cancel. I'm not gonna delete this. I'm gonna hit edit. I'm gonna go in here and I'm just gonna take this from here. Use words like boom, you're the best, blah blah blah. I'm gonna go back to the personas. I'm gonna edit this one over here. Joe Apfelbaum, CEO of evyAI. And I'm just going to add that right from the perspective of a professional networker, author, CEO, blah, 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 blah. Focus on the target market, blah, blah, blah. Okay? And I'm going to just delete this here because I don't need this because I use that instead. So I'm going to press update persona. And now I'm going to go here and I'm going to leave a comment on Audrey's post. Let's just see what comes up with that new persona that I just created. See if it injects the link in there. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to click on, let's see, I'm going to click on Joe Apfelbaum, Black Friday evyAI. Let's see if it finds a Black Friday deal. Instead of addressing concerns, I'm going to build relationships, and I'm going to make a professional comment. So let's see what it does. Great insights, Audrey. The importance of licensing music can't be overstated. Speaking of value, I'm excited about our Black Friday deal for evyAI. It's $20,000 upgraded to evyAI Pro. Let's keep the conversation going. Do you see the way I added the whole thing there?
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, so this saves a ton of time. Let's see if anybody's actually watching this now. I'm always curious to see who's watching my lives. So in order for me to see who's watching my lives, I just go here, and I can see who's watching my lives. And we have a posting party at 12 p.m. today, just FYI. Looks like we have Anita. So let's say I want to send Anita a message now. She's in Greater Cleveland. I'm going to click on message. And now what I'm going to do is, let's see, I sent her the live on October 8th. I'm going to have her say, have you seen our Black Friday special? I hit generate. And it's going to write a whole thing. Hey, have you seen our Black Friday special, Anita? We're offering $20,000 worth of value. It's a fantastic opportunity. Boom. Do you see the way it wrote the whole pitch for me?
Mhm.
And she's watching, hopefully, this live because she liked the video. So chances are she might be watching this live right now. And I'm having a conversation with her in the chat. And I'm giving her the exact link that she needs. And I didn't have to type in the whole entire thing. It kind of ties it in, puts her name, everything's in there. So people that sign up to evyAI Pro get unlimited access to this. Isn't that fantastic?
That is nice.
And then we're also
Quick and personal.
yeah, and we're also going to be giving like lots and lots of LinkedIn training as well to help people. You know, my goal is for every person that signs up to evyAI Pro is to give them so much value that they get $100,000 worth of profit in the next year as a result of them being part of evyAI Pro, which includes training and everything that they possibly need. So I really want to support people deeply, and that's why I'm kind of including all these bonuses for people, you know, giving you everything you need. Sometimes people say, okay, sign up to this software, but they don't give you all the support and the resources that you might need, including a CRM and access and everything else. And we're literally giving everything that you possibly might need there, including community, support, like the full Monte, the full package. So that's really exciting. Yeah, that's my goal is really to help 1,000 people. Like I really want to impact people deeply. I do have 30,000 connections right now. By the way, this I'm obsessed with this auto scroll thing, Chase. If I click on connections over here, and I want to auto scroll through my connections, now I just start auto scrolling, and I can see all my connections just like that.
Oh, nice. And I
And
see you got 4 different speeds on there too.
yeah,
Slow,
so
medium,
I'm
fast, and turbo.
I'm gonna click turbo, so it just goes down like a mother. You see the way? I'm gonna click on show results here. I'm gonna hit stop scroll, auto scroll turbo, and it's gonna keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and load all of my connections in one page.
Now the 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you just click the number pad keys
Correct.
and will it change the speed? Is that what those represent?
Yes, it should be able to do that. That's the idea. So I'm gonna hit
Nice.
I think Alt 1,
Mm.
so Alt 2, Alt 3, Alt 4, Alt 1,
Mm.
Alt 2. Yeah, it goes slow down.
Nice.
And Alt S stops it, and Alt S starts it. Alt S should start it. I don't know why it's
Beautiful.
It looks like it crashed my computer. Oh, Harpa said requested additional permissions. Allow. Okay, let's try again. Alt S.
Yeah, I have a stream deck here, so I'll have a whole page dedicated to evyAI.
Oh, Alt S is being taken up by. Wow, what is this doing here? Oh, capture view. That's cool. Look what Harpa's doing. Wow, it captures everything that it finds on a page.
Wow.
Alt S does capture view. So I probably have to disable Harpa or change the thing. Oh, it looks like my team is asking me to join a meeting. So I appreciate you endlessly. Thank you for being here with me. And for you guys watching this, hit that repost button. I'll see you soon, Chase. Thank you.